Awesome. So now we're going to talk about Instagram TV. Now, what is Instagram TV? It's a relatively new addition to Instagram, and it's actually a really amazing way to build trust and affinity with our followers. And once we build this trust and affinity with our followers, remember, we're much more likely to be able to sell them on our products or services. So, Instagram TV is actually a video channel, almost like a TV channel, that's accessible from inside the Instagram app, but it also actually has a separate app that you can download and start using and start uploading your content once you link it over to your Instagram account. So what you can actually do is you can actually cross promote all of your Instagram TV content from different social media channels, whether that be your Instagram account or your Facebook account or your Twitter or your YouTube. Whatever it is, wherever you have an audience, it's actually a really cool transitional tool to be able to get them to follow your Instagram account through putting out something of really high valuable on your Instagram TV channel. So, why would you want to use Instagram TV for your brand? Remember, you have to know that video outperforms all other content. So you get 38% more engagement on these videos, such as the ones you put out on your Instagram TV, than you do for photos, which means you're going to be able to increase the affinity and increase the engagement on your Instagram account for your followers. They also get 2.1 times the amount of comments than images. And Instagram TV video is just longer in length than a story on the Instagram app. So if you put up an Instagram story on your in a video format, it's basically like putting up an Instagram TV video, but just in a very short length. So what people do is they actually put up a short version of their Instagram TV. So say you have a 20-minute long episode or a 20-minute long video that you want to put up on your Instagram TV channel. What you need to do is you need to then put that into a trailer. And you can put that trailer on your Instagram account and on your Instagram stories and have people click back and go and actually watch the Instagram TV episode. So you can see here, this is Flav City has put a roast chicken salad recipe, the full video, in his Instagram TV, and he's promoted it on his story and on his actual page. And people go back and they can watch him for a full 3 minutes and 21 seconds. And that's a really, really good way to build a strong affinity with your audience, is get people to watch you for 3 minutes and 21 seconds, giving them value, giving them an awesome recipe, and you can have call to actions inside your actual Instagram TV video. So the one thing that people don't know is you can actually upload pre-recorded videos. It's not like going live where you have to do it live. You can create a pre-recorded video. You can create a whole list of recipes. You can do 10 recipe videos and put them up one a week for the next 10 weeks, and they could all be 5 minutes long, and build a lot of affinity using these Instagram TV episodes. There's also a clickable link that you can put into your Instagram TV posting in order to get people to take that call to action and either go buy your recipe book or go and buy your product or go and buy your service once you offer them. And remember, you need to offer them value. So here is how to get the most, these dot points here, you need to remember when you're creating Instagram TV episodes or content. So you want to use a consistent design. Make sure it goes in the design of the rest of your Instagram account and the vibe that you've been putting out there. You want to make sure that you are using the sequential series tactic. You want to make sure you're using hashtags. You want to make sure you put in that clickable link. You want to make sure that you share it. Remember, content stacking to your Instagram profile and Instagram story. Make sure you use video hooks. So in the first 10 to 20 seconds, or even before that, even the first 2 seconds, have something that's hooking someone in. Say, you'll never guess what happened when we tried to put these two chemicals together. And that could be the first 3 seconds of your video, and people are like, oh, I want to see what happens when you put these two chemicals together. And therefore, they're going to watch that Instagram TV episode until they get to that point. Meaning you're going to get a lot of affinity from this person, and next time you post something, they're going to be likely to buy, and they're going to be very likely to engage with it again because they like you more. So remember to add value is that last point there. The more value you add, the more people are going to engage and like you. So a couple of people that you should go and have a look at are National Geographic They do this really, really well. And so does someone called Tortoise, Tortus. You can go and have a look at their Instagram TV. They're using it really, really well. And you can see down the bottom there, when you are watching Instagram TV, you can go and you can actually click on recommended Instagram TV channels that come up down below when you're watching that Instagram TV. And this is where you can find other people doing it well, but also remember, this is where your Instagram TV channel can be promoted when people are watching other people's Instagram TV. So to end that, I would say the biggest thing you can do is go and put out there your first Instagram TV video, and then you can go and you can check the analytics of how people engage with it, how much people liked it, and you can use that to make a better, stronger, higher engaged video for your audience the second time, and put it up and keep testing these things. Keep putting up these videos and make sure that people are engaged with it, liking it, and you'll be shocked at the amount of affinity and trust you can build with your audience that you can then sell them to your products and services.